everyone, today I'm here in Venice and I'm about to show you how to see the city in only 12 hours. Now let's first start with how to actually get here. The starting point to get into central Venice is called Piazzale Roma. It's where the car park is and where the buses will take you from the nearby Marco Polo airport. Buses to look out for if you're flying into Marco Polo are the ACTV bus line number 5 or the Venice Express ATVO bus. Both cost €80 one way or 15 for a return. You can also take a water taxi directly to the center of Venice, but it will cost you more and you're gonna miss out on all the cute quiet corners the city has to offer. From Piazzale Roma, first make your way to Tonolo Pastry if you fancy something sweet for breakfast, or continue your way to the famous Rialto Bridge for the best views of the Grand Canal. Once you cross the bridge, mentally prepare yourself for insane crowds and head to Piazza San Marco, also known as the St. Mark's Square, which is the main square in Venice. On one side you can see the St. Mark's Basilica with a bell tower, and on the other there's a museum. Next to the basilica, there's also the Doge's palace built in the Venetian Gothic style. Behind the palace, you can see the Bridge of Sighs, which connected the interrogation rooms in the Doge's palace with the prison, so it's basically where the people who were sent to prison caught their last glimpse of Venice. Now these were basically the main sites you have to see in Venice, but there's plenty more spots to explore. One of them is by far the quirkiest bookstore I've ever been in, called Acqua Alta. There's books stored in bathtubs and gondolas, and there's walls made of old books and even a little viewing staircase. It's just a very cool spot to see. For lunch, you have plenty of places to choose from, but definitely avoid the main streets and try to find a smaller, more of a local spot where you can enjoy your meal. And don't forget to have gelato for dessert. Gelatoteca Suso seems to be the #1 spot, and I can confirm their gelato is delicious. And now, my favorite stop of the day. Before you get lost in the streets and continue eating your waiting pasta, stop at the T Fondaco shopping center. Sorry if I butchered the name. If you have pockets full of money, it's a great place to shop for designer items, but if you're broke like me, head to their rooftop terrace for the most amazing 360 views of Venice completely for free. Just make sure to book your viewing slot beforehand online. I'll paste the link down in the description box for you. There's obviously plenty of things left to see or do in Venice. If you're ready to splurge, you can even take a gondola ride or just catch a water taxi for much cheaper back to Piazzale Roma where you started. I decided to walk back, take some more photos, and get yummy Italian pastries to take back home. I hope you enjoyed my Venice guide. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more travel videos. See you next time!